episode of Eating Siem Rib. This is what $7 will buy you at a place called the Pizza Pan. Okay, I got any place you would call this a medium size or even a large size Hawaiian pizza. $2.40 for that. Okay, I was expecting a teeny pizza. Let's see, one of these should be a beef burrito. That looks like a burrito. That was $2.60. That's a pretty good size, isn't it? And that should be the beef quesadillas. Yes, it is. I believe this is $1.80. Okay, so I'm going to go enjoy eating this. I have 2 slices of pizza already on my plate. To the quesadilla and probably save the burrito for last as I watch probably an episode of Dutton Ranch. I'm up to season 1, episode 6 for tonight here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. I'll tell you, this is very delicious pizza. It's more of a thin crust, nice sauce, nice cheese, pineapple tastes good, and the ham tastes good. And while I eat, I'm watching a YouTube video about the sinking of a troop ship during World War II called the SS President Coolidge. Getting ready to tackle the beef quesadillas. Boy, that salsa looks really nice.
Like the orange journey out from the West Coast.
Anywhere else, these kind of quesadillas would cost a lot more, and these are very delicious. Okay, I'm very pleased. The burrito is also extremely good and big, and well worth the price. Was very inexpensive compared to most other places out here. I will order from the Pizza Pan once again.